Gaano nga ba kahirap hanapin ang katotohanan?
Kaya mo bang hindi magpalinlang?
Tara, magkaalaman na.
We're the cast of the Loyalty Game, and we're here to play.
The Reverse Imposter.
All of us will be sharing statements about ourselves, but the twist is, only one of us will be telling the truth.
Ready to find out who's the reverse imposter among us?
Ano pang iniintay natin? Let's play.
Ano mga amiga, na? Pumili na kayo.
Okay.
I super love bagoong.
I think that's the truth, because I can smell you set sometimes.
It's so sad.
I'm kidding.
I super love it.
Okay, I think
Bedtime.
my grandfather was an actor.
I was a high school valedictorian.
So, let's start with Sofia. Di ba ganun? She'll give a statement, I give and you, then later we'll judge. She said she super duper loves bagong. I think that's a lie.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Ako, I think it's a truth.
Okay, it's a lie.
It's a liar! Oh
I
my
can't eat
God!
Pag may bagong, I really don't eat. Yeah, sayang.
My grandfather was an actor.
Yes, truth yan, I believe.
Lie? Or wait. Do you mean like sa theater? Or like
I mean,
mga vaudeville, ganon?
That's the actor.
Oh, pwedeng truth.
Yeah, that's the truth. Sa eskwela siya dati. He always had this very, very loud voice. Hey! He calls me Banong. Banong! Because nung time na yun, they had no speakers. So it was just like projection ng boses talaga. Yeah! You were a valedictorian in high school.
Sure.
I think that's a lie. You're intelligent, but you're a bad liar.
Okay,
Tama? It's a lie? Yes. Finding the one who's telling the truth.
Okay. I have once walked a runway in Paris.
I was second choice in playing Quezon for Quezon the movie, which is, by the way, showing here sa Prime.
I was able to swim with shorts. Like, really direct.
Okay. Only one person is telling the truth.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, game?
Yeah.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
I'm telling the truth. Because I got it.
Pero in fairness believable yun kasi palagi kang nasa beach.
Yeah.
2, 3, go. Okay.
I have a tattoo on my butt.
What does it say?
Your name.
Ano ba?
No, literal, your name.
I come from a family of lawyers, like Ben.
Okay. Attorney Ben. I once got bitten by a monkey. 1, 2, 3. Ako nga.
Ayun! It's so obvious when I make up stories.
Oo nga. Name ko talaga yung nakatattoo siya.
Y-O.
Your name. Congrats, guys. Nice getting to know you more.
Tapping my shoulder here.
Nice lying with you guys. Lies, betrayals, and drama.
Patikim pa lang yan.
Marami pa kayong dapat abangan sa The Loyalty Game.
Only on Prime Video.